Hello everyone, I am Elisa Marraccini from the University of Udine, and together with my colleagues, I will present an ongoing experience of creation of a farm network through Northern Italy in the framework of the Agritech National Center. Our focus in this presentation will be on the design of the network and on the farm engagement process. Italy is a European Mediterranean country characterized by a large proportion of agricultural areas in hilly or mountain region, small-scale farming, aging of agricultural population with a low propensity to change. Moreover, in the last decades, Italy has been targeted by several extreme climatic events like droughts or flooding, thus questioning the resilience of the farming systems. The Agritech National Center was born in this context under funding of the Next Generation Europe program to promote research and innovation in Italian agricultural system to improve agricultural production, supporting the adoption of climate-smart solutions. It has been organized under 5 teams, going from resilience to traceability of food systems, coordinating by an hub located in Naples, and by 9 spokes. Each of them also having some tasks devoting to demonstration or multi-actor activities in the form of living labs. Particularly, Spoke 4, coordinated by University of Padua, focuses on the developing of smart climate and resilient agricultural and forestry systems. In this spoke, a task is devoted to the setup of a farm network to promote innovative technologies for the sustainable management of farming systems. The group working in this task is composed of 22 researchers belonging to universities, a research center, and a private company. Most of them are agronomists, and several members of the group are experienced in farmer-centric experimentation and already working with informal small farm network. First activities during project launching were the sharing of our experience, the definition of common goal, and the starting to design of a common on-farm network. In the network design, in order to maintain both the existing relationship and to create some smaller group, different small networks in the form of living labs were created. Each small network related to a university and devoted to a farming system, but in relationship with other similar small networks. Each farm network is composed mainly by farmers, but also researchers and other relevant stakeholders, and will self-organize the main activities on a focus related to the management of water, carbon, and energy. At the moment of the recording, 42 farms are involved. 2 levels of involvement were possible according to the farmer's will and interest, basic and advanced. In the basic involvement, the farmer will contribute to the definition of the goals of a small network and will participate to some transversal activities, whereas in the advanced involvement, the farmer will also participate to demonstration and on-farm experimentation. The farm engagement was taken by discussing with farmers and signing a light agreement in form of a manifestation of interest. No money exchange has been planned, but farmer engagement can be supported by different services such as soil analysis, field mapping, or technical advice. Motivation of farmers for participating are very different. In some cases, the willing to be in a network and share experiences. In others, the starting of a collaboration with the university or continuing with other funding experiments already in place. The activities that will take place are intended both as individual on-farm and collective activities, ranging from on-farm surveys, field crop monitoring, on-farm experimentation, demonstration, or co-development of DSS. Specifically about on-farm experimentation, within the 3 groups of the group, the kind of experiment, the design, and the sampling will be co-designed with the farmers, and each treatment will also take place in more controlled conditions in our university experimental farm. An example of on-farm experimentation will be the test of innovative water resistance maize hybrids or the treatability of coastal area for innovative salt-resistant crops like quinoa. Demonstration activities will regard both the OFE or innovative tools like new towers for continuous field estimation of evapotranspiration. In conclusion, even though still in the phase of farmer engagement, there are some elements that are emerging as opportunity and challenges for our network. First of all, there are in Italy informal and fragmenting of experiences within the Italian scientific community. That's why the farm network of the Agritech Center is an opportunity for the establishment of a medium-term, structured and open access partnership with farmers and stakeholders. Thus, letting know in the farmer and scientific community about this network is generating a snowball effect, questioning the group about issue of participation, but also the development of new scientific skills and methods. A challenge for the group will be in the participation in international community like OFE or in international experience and platforms like the Farm Demo. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have questions or comment about our experience and presentation. Thank you.